Come test drive the 2024 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, sunroof, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.